What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to show you guys a little bit about Blockfolios. All right, guys, so this is going to be a quick 2-minute video, but this is very important. So you guys need to be taking track and figuring out what your buys and sells are. And if you guys aren't doing that, you're probably losing some money. And especially when tax season comes around, this helps and organize being able to pay for taxes. So this is why I like the Blockfolio app. First is you have your section for news. So any of the tokens you're following, you're looking at, you're going to get news up to date every day. They have one thing called signals, and then they just have general news just about crypto in general. So your signals are going to be the tokens you're following. And you have a section where you can track tokens. So what you can do is you can select the token you want to watch and follow, and you can look at some information on it. And what's pretty cool is on each of the tokens that you select. So say for example, we do Rune, you can add the details on it. You can add your profile, or this is the profile on the actual token itself. It talks about when it was released, how it was released. It gives the white paper, website, etc. And there's a couple of helpful links on each of the projects. And you also have a section for profit and loss. So you can add a transaction. You can say, hey, I bought these tokens. This was the amount I bought, and this was the fee on the date. You can also do a sell and a transfer and organizing your different wallets. So you can choose your wallet you want to choose from, so you know exactly where those tokens are at. Or you can just keep it all inside this app. So it's pretty interesting. You can also add alerts. You can also set up an order book just to remind you, hey, I have a limit order on this token or a sell order, etc. And it's a neat way to organize. And then obviously you have your trade history, and this would be more so for in the app. So those are some of the cool features on the tracking section. And now you have the investment side. So basically, anytime you trade $10 worth of crypto, you automatically get a free token of any kind. Guys, it's free crypto. Why would you turn that down? Just make your trades here, boom, done. You can buy some Ethereum. You can just hit buy. I want to make a deposit from my bank. I can do a credit card, wire transfer, or I can simply just use USDC. Let me go ahead and click the USDC so you guys can see it. But it's super easy. All you got to do is send tokens here, and now it's in your app. And this is ERC, but if you want to change it, look, save gas fees and do Solana. So that's something cool and easy to use. By the way, guys, that was just a quick tip so you guys can play around with that. I really like the tracking feature on that. And if you guys want to sign up and get a bonus on this, here is a referral link. I'll go ahead and show it so you guys can see it. Just scan this code. Basically, trade $10 worth of crypto, get a free coin. So can't beat that. Here's a referral code 3000202. Have fun, guys. I'll share a link in the description below. Highly recommend you guys check out BLOCKFI. They also have a credit card, so when you sell your crypto and you get cash on there, you can automatically use your cash to buy that smoothie or that coffee or that gas that you want. It's the FTX debit card. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you guys enjoyed the video, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and sign up with the affiliate link. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Oh, and by the way, guys, I forgot to mention, it's free trading. So you get paid to trade by getting free crypto, and the trading fees are non-existent. Anyways, guys, wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 31, verses 5. No, I'm sorry, 6. Let beer be for those who are perishing, wine for those who are in anguish. Let them drink and forget their poverty, and remember their misery no more. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.